So hello folks, so may I make a quick video. You know, today is Valentine's Day, and as usual the wife don't expect me to be doing nothing because I'm not that type of guy. I honestly am not that type of guy. I am the comfortable guy who like to stay home and cook some food. I don't like go out. But today, as I load my birthday weekend, I am going to step all the way out. So normally I stay home. But today, me tell her, I say, put on some clothes, me carry her to dinner. What you don't know is that I've already made arrangements to take her to Miami to take in one of our all-time favorite artists, singer, songwriter, artist, perform today. And that's gonna be my gift to her. A little bit of my gift to myself too, but mainly for her, for Valentine's Day and to kick off my birthday celebration. So come with me as I get ready to get her our most awesome Valentine's of the century. All right. So this is the young lady going out to dinner, and she says she have to get her bag. She have to walk with her bag. So show them. Look nice, look nice. You look like you're banging. You look hotter than the food, me not tell no lie. Ray. And of course, this is me. You understand? All white, all black. With my little bowl, you know? Rays, you understand? It's cute, you know?
We said the I-95. Date night. Valentine's. Somebody turn over. I have no idea where he's taking me, guys. No idea, but I'm excited because if you guys don't already know, I actually love the road. He's more of a homebody. So when him step out and say, "Re," be ready for it. But I'm excited though. But hopefully we can tap in and show you guys what, you know, comes of the night, and we could hang, right? We could hang. Details about this hair, guys, can be found on my page, Natural Hair Dynamics. Yes, I call it the immortal. It cannot die. Anyway, later. The unconventionalness of it all. Where they stop at Whole Foods to grab dinner before you reach to your destination. Yeah.
And you still don't know where we're going.
Still don't know where we're going. But I know that it doesn't involve food. So we stopped at Whole Foods and I got a delicious dinner. Yes. Look at it. Look at it. Anyway, bye.
So we are here. This is where I took her to check in La Vie, and we're in North Miami, guys. North Miami. So now you know where I took you. You liking it?
My favorite of all times. None other than the incomparable La Vie.
La Vie. All right, let's get into it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We want to thank you so very much for being here with us tonight at Somalia Valley with me, La Vie.
So Somalia Valley is a beautiful and quaint, eclectic little wine bar that's located in North Miami. It's just off 125th Street and 6th Avenue, right in that little area there. Guys, it's a great little place to stop in. Very, very chill spot. You can do wine tasting. You can go for just a drink. And they have little small plates that they pair with the wine. They also have a nice like, art section. So if you're in the mood to do like a little painting or anything like that, if you want to host a paint and drink party, that type of thing, they accommodate all those type of stuff. When I heard that La Vie was going to be performing there for Valentine's, I had to make the reservation. I had to make up my mind and say I'm going to drive down, not just for the music, but just for the vibe. Our server slash bartender was awesome, and of course, he made the experience very nice by recommending the wines that he did, and it was a great little spot to be. After getting our complimentary glass of wine, we it's just a great place. We just enjoyed the vibe. We enjoyed the ambience. We had a Cabernet Sauvignon, and we both had the same thing to start. And it was just a nice little, vibe. Can I tell you? A vibe. The wine, the music, the ambience, and the company. Everything was just worth it. It was a great night. Sense the notes of fruit and spices swirling.
I thought it was bad manners to smell your food.
I'll never be untrue. Listen, baby, let's stay together. Loving you whether times are good or bad, happy or sad now. Your smile, your intelligence, you woo me, you got me, you please me, you tease me, you school me, give me something to think about, ignite me, you co-write me, you love me, you like me, you love me, you inside me to chorus. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
I had to let you hear that original from Mother and Daughter. Guys, overall, we totally enjoyed ourselves. Funny enough, there wasn't anybody in the building except us and maybe two other people. It was a very, very chill night. Overall, we loved it. Lavi did an excellent job. And of course, you have to check her out. She is on lavimusic.com. Yeah, you can check her out. Her Instagram is Lavi, and she is all over. All right. Remember, we totally enjoyed ourselves. It was a great night and totally love getting out. I know I don't like doing it, but this one was worth it. So, guys, I'm leaving with a little bit more clips from this, our Valentine's night. And do continue to watch Yardie TV. We're coming out with more content, guys. A lot of shorts. We're doing a question of the day, and we're gonna be putting out some new recipes and stuff. Keep it locked. Don't go nowhere. Yardie TV. And the wifey enjoyed herself. I must say, she totally enjoyed herself, and I have to start taking her out more often. I promise that. So look out, guys. You'll be seeing us on the road more often after this. More music. Make we enjoy the vibes, no? I promise you, it was so sweet.
Is this love, is this love, is this love, love that I'm feeling? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I wanna know now. I got to know that I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on your table. See, I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you. I waited till I see the sun. I don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. Don't know why I didn't come. Oh, I don't know why I didn't come. There's a quiet storm, and it never felt like this before. There's a quiet storm, and that is you. There's a quiet storm, and I never felt this hot before. Giving me something that's taboo. 'Cause you give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I'm in love with you. You give me the sweetest taboo. Sometimes I feel just too good for me. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Some people go around the world for love, and they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do, you do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up. In my world, it's only you. Make me do for love what I would not do.
So it's just after 11 and trying to make it up on this highway. The wifey is totally tuckered out. Yeah. If she ever knows some video or when she asleep, she'd have vex. But I don't business. Guys, thank you all for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed your Valentine's Day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yardie TV says so. Remember me tell you.